Hey girl, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a hair tutorial and review. This is the viral miracle knots that the girlie's been talking about. So let's get into it. First, you're going to start off with freshly washed hair. This is the hair that I'm using, the Sensational Premium 2. It is a synthetic blend. You're going to need a comb, oil of your choice, and edge control of your choice. Now listen, for all the part patrols that's going to be watching this, please don't come for me. I am trying to do something quick, simple, easy as I thought, but this is my braid pattern, all the plaits. Again, don't come for me. I was trying to do this quickly. I am a mom of two that are 2 and under, so time is of the essence, right? So this is what I'm working with. These are all my individual plaits, and what I did realize about this style is that I haven't done plaits in so long. I've been doing my silk presses lately, and so doing these type of protective styles, I really didn't have the time and the mood to do it, but I really like how the style is with the curly pieces coming out of the braids. And then when I realized like you don't have to add hair into the braids, I said, oh yes, I can certainly do this. So here I'm going to be inserting that hair. This is a body wave hair from those packs. You did get 50 strands in each pack. And I'm just going to crochet it in the braid as I normally would and pull it through. What I do like about this hair is that little thread piece that's in the center of the hair, you can loop this hair through and you will not see a knot. So it's kind of like an invisible knot. And so I'm just going to do the same thing on the end. But the only difference is that once I loop it in on the end, I'm going to pull one piece of hair through that loop as opposed to both pieces, so that it gives me 3 pieces, which will include my hair. Does that make sense? Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and braid that down so that my hair is not poking through. So I do have a kind of a blunt cut on my natural hair right now. So my hair is straight on the ends, and I was putting edge control on the ends of my hair as I was braiding down, but that is how I'm going to conceal my hair, by adding it into the curly hair towards the end when braiding it down. Y'all, as I'm getting through this hair and I did the parameter, and you'll see the curls to me were really nice. I didn't want too many curls, but I do like my hair to be a certain type of fullness, and I just felt like this was not giving that. I initially started this hairstyle wanting it to be short anyway, but as you continue to watch the video, you'll see what I'm going to do. So here I'm just showing you again how I added the ends on, and I went through each plait and did this to the ends first before adding the hair at the top, because I felt like I was running out of hair. So I would suggest, if you do get this hair, the hair is really nice. I didn't get much shedding at all. This is what it looks like with both packs. I would suggest, if you get this hair, you need to get minimum 3 if you want more fullness. But if you want it to stop right here, you could wear it like this. Me personally, I initially wanted a short hairstyle because it's so hot that I don't want any hair on my back, on my neck, or anything like that. But as you can see, look at the back. Like, I just felt like the top of the braids in the back were not giving. I'm just showing you what it looks like long. It's super cute. The curls are so gorgeous. This hair was so lightweight. It felt like I didn't even do my hair. So that was a little different for me too. But this is going to be a high up, high down. If you want to do half up, half down, I did pull out some of the hair in the top. I'm just showing you some of the different styles that you could potentially do if you were to move forward with this hair. Half up, half down. I love my half up, half down styles, but I like them to be full, and I felt like this wasn't full enough. So that's what I was in the mirror doing, just looking at different styles. If I were to keep this long with just 2 packs, I could have just worn it like this in a bun, but who want to wear a bun every day? I like to switch my styles up, wear half up, half down, swooped over to the side, bun, ponytail. You know what I mean? So the curls, I'm not going to take it away. It was gorgeous. Again, if I were to do this style by myself again, I would get at least 3 packs. 3 packs for me would have been good. Now, I did get this from my local beauty supply store. So yeah, because I didn't know what I wanted to do. I was literally trying to figure out how to do this style. I was looking at so many videos, and I said, I think I can do this. I could do this. I could do this. And it was 6 o'clock when I started. I ended at 12 midnight. So as you can see here, I'm just cutting the hair, trying to figure out how short I want it, making sure it's even throughout the entire head. And I'm just cutting it up, girl, because I really initially wanted this hairstyle to be short. Now, the length of this hair was 14 inches, and it looked like it was 18. So I just wanted to cut it because I wanted a short bob type of miracle knot look. And I felt like the curls were so good that I was like, okay, if I cut it, it should be fine. It really looked so cute, as I'm going to show you here when I flip it over from left to right in the front, like I would typically wear this style, or like I was envisioning wearing this style. Like, look at that. Gorgeous. Now look at my hair. That piece that I cut, girl, cut the show. Cut the show. So here I'm just showing you different styles, how I would swap it over from left to right. Super cute, right? I just still felt some type of way. And one thing about me, if my hair is not right, I'm going to take it out. I'm going to take it out. I don't care how many compliments I get. It's not about compliments for me. It's about how I feel. Let me know if that's just me. But I just felt like this was just not giving. The front was cute, but the back, where people really be watching your hair, I'm like, the back is not giving anything. It was just braids back there. So here I'm just playing around with it. At this point, it's 12 o'clock at night. I'm like, let me just go to bed, sleep on it, see how I'm going to do in the morning once I put makeup on, a quick 1-2. Here it is the next morning, and I have a little bit of faith. You know, once you put a little makeup on, a quick 1-2, you're like, okay, you feeling yourself for a quick second. The curls, again, beautiful. Beautiful. I am going to try to find this hair on Amazon to see if I can get a better deal, because they were $25 a pack. But as you can see, I'm trying to convince myself. I'm really trying to convince myself, but I still felt like the back of my head was super empty. I did not like that spacing, that gap right there. That should have been some curls. Look at all those plaits. That should have been some curls on there. But again, I ran out of hair. So nevertheless, would I try this hairstyle again? Possibly. Would I get it done professionally? Absolutely, because I like the style. So let me know your thoughts down below. If you tried Miracle Knots, if you like this style, any other details that I left out, go ahead and ask me in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.